A plus B is equal to 10. I'm not sure. No. Return uh, return A plus B is equal to 10. Okay. Bad operated for binary operator. First type is Boolean. Okay. Boolean makes 10. Integer A, integer B. Ten is equal to if A plus B is equal to 10 and return to return. Hmm. Or when you do the or, A is equal to 10. Okay. And or, this is basically or B is equal to B is equal to 10. Okay. Let me see. Unexpected time required variable found value line 3. Okay, let me see the shit. A is equal to 10, B is equal to 10. I almost did that. A plus B is equal to 10, but I couldn't know about the. Yep. So you have to do the double equals on Java. And you're okay. Let me do this thing. Double equals. If you do double equals like this, can you just do this? No. Missing return value line 4. Okay. So they don't want me to do like this. Return A is equal to 10. Okay, so after that, either if what they said, given two units A and B, return true if one of them is 10, one of them is 10, or either the sum of them is 10. So B is 10 and A plus B 10. Okay, so this is, I guess this is okay. Until now, this is fine. Yeah, You could use this way as well. Okay, nice. So